Exporting a single sheet can be done from the GUI using the menu or hotkey. The default output file name is generated from the sheet name. A sheet export always ends up as a single-page document, even in file formats supporting multiple pages. It is not recommended to export a multi-page project sheet by sheet. sch-rnd has a project export for that case, discussed in a subsequent video. The same sheet export can be done directly from the command line without invoking the GUI using the -x argument. The first argument after -x should be the name of the export format, followed by format-specific options and the sheet file name. Each export plugin has a help that lists available options. A common option that all export plugins have is overriding the default output file name.